Golf D'Antonio Associates, Easy Living LLC, Chip Sheely from CBRE, and Linden Construction brings you back to the Anniston. Hey, this is Steve Kelly with Sky Eye Images, and we are flying the Anniston building at 229 Hugie Street in Charleston. The general contractor is Linden Construction, also of Charleston. Now, they pride themselves on delivering a first-class product, and this is a shining example. You see, this company has over 30 years of commercial construction experience, and they are passionate about their work. From Class A office buildings like the Anniston to shopping centers to medical office projects to restaurants, they even built the gym that I work out at. No, really, I work out. We are glad to be partners with Linden Construction and ask you to check back soon for other updates on the Anniston. Linden Construction, building Charleston well. Sky Eye Images. Fly well, my friends.